Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now. If you have watched my other videos on USD JPY, then you can easily recognize these lines, because I have clearly explained these lines and I told you that market has a resistance at this particular level. And right now you can see that market is trading above the resistance, and this is the main reason I always tell you that before executing any order you should always wait for the confirmation, because confirmation is extremely important. If you take trades blindly, then you will always end up in loss. Therefore confirmation is important, and that's why I always mention that before shorting the market you should have the confirmation in the form of a shooting star, price rejection from above, or a red candles like this. Then only you should short the market, and this was the main reason I always tell, because right now you can see that after hitting the resistance level, market has crossed the resistance beautifully and trading comfortably above the resistance. But that does not mean that this is the ideal position to go for a buy here, because there are certain things that we must understand first. So let's do the proper analysis, complete analysis. Let's try to understand what is going on, what is cooking on the chart of USD JPY. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy. So let's get started. So if you look at the chart of USD JPY, then we can see that overall the tendency of the market is towards the downside. I'll not say that this is a completely seller's market, but overall structure is towards the downside. And if we just focus on this particular portion here, then we can easily see that market is extremely bullish right now. No overall structure of the market or chart setup may be towards the downside, but we cannot deny that right now market is extremely bullish. Therefore looking for shorting opportunities in this market will be suicidal. Okay, really, it will be suicidal, okay, if you are planning to take a short position in this market, because you can clearly see on the chart that this market is heavily bullish right now. If there are 100 traders present on the chart or market right now, then at least 90 traders are buyers and only 10 are sellers. Therefore it will be suicidal, remember. And just guess what the retail traders are doing. Okay, my dear friends, just guess what the retail traders are doing right now. To know what the retail traders are doing, we must go to the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. You can see that this is the Forex sentiment meter, and see 83% retail traders have taken short position and only 16% retail traders have taken long position. And this is the main reason why 90%, actually more than 90% retail traders lose money, because they always stand against the trend of the market. In this market, in this strong uptrend market, they have taken short position, and they will and obviously they will end up in big losses. Okay, and that's why I always say that do not follow the herd mentality, always do proper analysis and try to understand the market. Okay, and I have already explained about this level 109.75 in this video. I'll not be going in detail about this level because right now market is trading here, so this level is not important. Just listen to me there. 109.75, okay, 109.75 is a very strong support from the weekly chart, and this was the level that was acting as a resistance for the market previously for 2 months, and right now the same level is acting as a support for the market. I'm not going in detail. If you want to know more about this level, just watch any of my previous videos, you will learn in detail. Okay, so the main level, okay, the main level that we need to focus on the chart of USD JPY right now is the 110.55. 110.55 is the important level, and right now you can see the market is trading far away. Okay. But still, we should not go for a buy here, because as we all know, USD JPY has got direct relation with the US dollar chart, USD or DXY. If you look at the chart of DXY here, you can see that the chart looks very much similar. Okay, the DXY is also very much bullish, means US dollar is bullish, so USD JPY is also bullish. Generally, we see that whenever DXY goes up or US dollar goes up, USD JPY also goes up. If US dollar goes down, USD JPY also goes down. And right now we can see that, okay, you can see that DXY is just standing at resistance. Undoubtedly, market is extremely bullish, no doubt, but right now we have a resistance, and you can see that right now we do not see that buying power here. Okay, right now kind of market is going flat or market is struggling. And if we switch over to the daily chart here, 1-day chart, then you can see that yes, market has reached the resistance here, and taking a new position or initiating a new position in this resistance will be kind of risky. And as I have clearly mentioned, and as you can also see that it has got direct relation with the USD JPY chart. So in case US dollar starts going down from here, then USD JPY will also start going down. Therefore, though we can see that it is trading comfortably above this resistance, and right now we can consider that 110.55 is a support, but still we will not initiate any buy position, because USD chart is not in a good position, because we need to understand what risk is, and therefore you should not take a risky position here. Okay, when you already know that it has got direct relation with the DXY chart. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, your strategy is see, you can see that market is also in the overbought zone. Okay, market is also in the overbought zone. So let the DXY come down. Okay, keep your one eye on DXY US dollar chart. If you see DXY coming down or going down, and also keep your eyes on the stochastic RSI as well. Okay, by tomorrow or after a couple of hours, if you see that market is taking support here, if you see market taking support here, then you'll get a confirmation that 110.55, okay, is a valid support right now. Market is trying to build support. Once you get the confirmation, then you can go for a buy. But keep in mind that DXY should be in your favor. Not that DXY is falling, okay, DXY is falling, making big red candles, okay, and you are taking a buy position here. No, it should not be like that. If you see DXY is also consolidating or after retracement going up, if you find market taking support at 110.55, then only go for buy. Okay, otherwise you can avoid USD JPY for today, because things are not very simple here. I can understand that if you are a beginner completely new to trading, then this explanation may seem to be difficult to understand, but the chart has gone complicated, so I am extremely sorry. Okay, so let the market take support here. Once you get the confirmation that this, yes, the support is a good one, then only go for buy. Otherwise, no buying position right now, and do not think about shorting the market, because market is extremely bullish. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.